Elementary. We are here to let kids in the school district, all over the district, come in and check out books from the book bus. The book bus is sponsored, I know, Roebuck, it's great. The book bus is sponsored by the school district, of course, and by the Deer Park Education Foundation. It's a joint effort. It's one of our most favorite things that we do, and it goes all around the city all summer long. The apartment complexes, it goes to different schools. There's a schedule, and kiddos bring their book bag back, and they can check out books and bring them back the next week. Well, the book bus is important for the kids to be available because everybody doesn't have the opportunity to get to the library. Some parents are at work during the times that the library is open. And also, most of the kids that come to their local school, the one that they attend, so it's close enough that they can sometimes walk with an older sibling. The siblings check out books as well, but it's just a great way to keep books in those hands and keep those brain cells going all summer so that we don't fall backwards. We keep going forward with our learning.